this is Kylie. Say hi, Kylie.
Hi.
She's gonna get her face painted with fireworks on it for Canada Day. So to paint fireworks, what I suggest is doing a little line. I curve it a little bit. And then we're just gonna do red and white. So they kind of look like a dandelion wish coming out from the center. You want to bend all your lines. Come all the way around to the top, go straight. That's the white one. And then around the edges you do dots. So it looks like the sparks flying. And then clean off your brush and using red, we're going to do one more, a little higher up. Same thing, bend some lines down below, and then start making your way to the top. And then we got to put some sparks flying around again. There, fireworks.